Welcome to the beautiful city of Hamburg.
Hamburg in Germany.
Yes, we are visiting for a short city trip, so we would like to take you for a tour throughout the city.
And we'll be walking the shopping street to the marketplace with the city hall.
Yep, and then from there on we will see where we're heading. Earlier today we visited a miniature wonderland, and we made a separate video about that attraction. You can find it on our channel.
Yeah, it's really fun if you're into model trains. And there's also a cool VR experience. The Julbe has several places in Germany at least where you can have VR experience, and there's one in Hamburg as well. Really cool. We were miniature people this morning.
Yeah, and it's a VR Pro experience we did, and that means that you also walk in VR and make, the room is much larger than most VR experiences where you stay on one point and just look around. In this case, we had to do all kind of stuff in the game. It was great to do and great to visit. Miniature Wonderland is the largest model railroad in the world. And now we walk up to the heart of the city center.
I really, this may sound weird, but I really love these tiles because it reminds me of our hometown, Tilburg. They have the same tiles on the sidewalk, so it's really crazy. It feels like home. Cities are higher here, and the city has some historic feel to it, but also has also quite modern buildings, industrial buildings because of the war, obviously.
Just
Much
like
has to be rebuilt.
just like our hometown town, Hamburg is a real industry city,
Industrial, yes.
an industrial city. So maybe that makes it feels like home as well.
And it's a large city. It's in the north of Germany, and it has almost 2 million residents. So it's quite a large city. It's larger than Amsterdam, I believe.
Yep, Amsterdam has around approximately 1 million residents, so twice the
Twice
number
the
of
city
Amsterdam.
Yeah.
And this feels like the luxury shopping street, shopping district.
Yeah, we've been here yesterday as well, and it's really a busy city, lots of people, but also this is the only street that has no real traffic in it. All the other streets, there are always cars driving, and it's quite hectic.
Up ahead, the tower is the Alte Post. It's the old post office. It's not in use as post office anymore.
And this city is really close to Bremen, about an hour's drive. We visited Bremen as well. You can see that video on our channel as well. And I liked Bremen better. It's Bremen felt better, had a better vibe than this city.
It was much more cozy.
Yes, there was, in my opinion, more to see and more to visit, and things were closer together. Yeah. You have some see-through. It's beautiful. It's really a beautiful city. But yeah, I don't know. The vibe is different, and it's difficult to describe why that vibe is different.
And maybe we see one over here. There are a lot of rental bikes and pedal cars.
I mean scooter steps.
The scooter steps, I mean the scooter steps. You can rent them by downloading an app, create an account, and then you can rent a vehicle, a bike.
Yeah, we did that as well, and my God, you have to go through traffic. Um, we're used to bikes and we're used to biking through cities, but it felt really unsafe to me. It's just, the cars don't really pay attention and vice versa.
Participate to the other traffic. It's a crowd, as we said, a crowded city, a lot of traffic.
Um, Hamburg has a lot of canals, waters, and going through the city. And I looked it up because it surprised me there was so much water. And apparently they have twice of the more bridges than Amsterdam and Venice combined, which blows my mind because we know Amsterdam. Amsterdam has a lot of bridges.
Venice as well.
Apparently this city has more bridges than Amsterdam and Venice combined. It's on Wikipedia, so it must be true, but or not. If somebody can fact check it, let me know if that's true, because wow.
And now we enter the city center.
We were already there.
And as you may notice, most of the things we know, we have looked them up ourselves. We're not that familiar in the city, but so we take the more familiar grounds, I guess. If you're a resident, the main reason we visit Hamburg is to see a musical. There are a lot of musical theaters in the city, but they're not in the city center. They're more at the edges of the town.
For people in love with musicals like us, we saw Hamilton here. So they translated Hamilton to German, and I couldn't believe that could be done, but it's really, really good. And unfortunately, they announced a closing date, so it's only here till the 15th of October. If you haven't seen it and you can see it, you're in the neighborhood, go and see it because the actors are so good. We saw it on Broadway as well. Of course, Broadway, spectacular, but the German version of Hamilton is very, very good.
And here we'll cross another bridge.
Another water canal. And the other side as well. Let me show you. Let me go.
And behind the bridge you see over there, there's a lake. Really nice lake in the middle of the city. And the tower over there is the Rathaus, as they call it in German, and that's city center. It's here since 1800 something.
And the city itself is the first things they know are from 852, so it's an old city. It has real history, but in the Second World War, much was lost. There's also a church here that was bombed that hasn't been rebuilt as a sort of reminder or monument. And we have I really love these things. They had it in Bremen as well. It's the mock-up of the city. So you can see where you are. They have braille as well, so braille writing for people with less visibility of poor eyesight, so they can feel what the buildings look like. I really love this.
And
And
back to the Rathaus. They think it's the sixth city hall that's on this place. It's rebuilt
six times.
five times.
Of across from the Rathaus, there is a small food court. We ate there yesterday.
It was
It
okay.
wasn't the best. It was okay. It was fair prices and the food was okay. But I love that you can have. There's one place where you can have multiple things. So if the one person's in the mood for pasta, the other can get a sandwich or
And I had myself the Wiener Schnitzel.
yes, Joost had a schnitzel. I don't like schnitzels.
I do. And this square is called the Rathaus Market.
Oh, there's one of the steps right there.
Yep.
That you can
Can
rent.
rent.
So you can rent a bike or a step.
Here he goes, and they are electric steps. So you just have to make some speed and then you can use the electric. There they are.
So this is okay, but on the streets you just go next to the cars and well, yeah. I wasn't a
And
fan.
the speed is approximately 15 till 20 kilometers per hour, so it's quite a speed. And if cars don't mention you or are not aware of you, it can be dangerous.
It's advised to wear a helmet, but who has one? If you rent a scooter step, who has a helmet in their back pocket, you know?
Let's walk up to that church.
Yes, that looks good. I'll take you around because I really like this square. Beautiful buildings. That's the street. And we'll walk this way.
And what I discovered about Hamburg is that there are a lot of passages with shops in there, like the bow over there.
A lot of
Covered mini malls, I guess.
and a lot of things you could enter, or there's also that little art garden. We weren't sure if it was public or not. The door was open, so we had a peek. But a lot of these places we
Can visit
yes.
just like this, but there's in this district there are many. And they call it passages that you can visit, and there are shops inside. And as you can see here as well, we're in the middle of the city center, and cars are driving by, buses driving by.
Yeah, it's a cool place to visit if you're in the neighborhood, but honestly, it wasn't my favorite place. I'm not sure who I'm offending now. If it's your favorite place, let us know. Maybe we missed something. We visited the lake area at this street, and of course the area with the musical theaters where Hamilton played. Um, Maybe we missed something. We have to come back. But
Convince us.
convince us, yes.
Leave a comment. Tell us what we've missed. We will be back, I guess.
Well, the musical is closing, so I'm really.
Yolanda is a real fan of the Hamilton musical, so I guess we have to go back once more. So maybe we get some tip from you guys.
What
The
we should
church is open.
what we should see in Hamburg next time. Yes, let us know.
The church is open, so let's visit.
We can get on the bus. Saint Peter's Church.
And as I can read as fast, it's part of the evangelic Lutheran Church in northern Germany. So let's check this one out.
And I guess when we exit, we will leave you there. So I hope you enjoyed this video.
Mm-hmm.
And let us know, do you like Hamburg? Have you ever visited or do you want to visit? And what did we miss? And if we come back, what do we need to check out? Let us know in the comments. And like and subscribe, of course, if you want more videos like this. We visit a lot of places, a lot of cities. And we always make these walks in cities or in other places. And
Just to share the fun with you.
to share.
And also, just like the rest of Hamburg, not the most impressive church.
I'm sorry, Hamburg.
I'm
We're
sorry,
not impressed.
I really want to love the city, but
If I have to choose, I'll go to Bremen again.
well, thank you for watching and see you in the next trip.
Bye bye.